In this video, we'll show you how to make word clouds. A word cloud is a visual representation in which the most frequent used word will show up the biggest. Go to your screen and right-click the mouse to open the menu. Go to Word Cloud. Here you can change the visual settings of your word cloud. Change fonts. Change colors. The angle of all the texts. Effects. And the minimal font size. Change the position and the size of your word cloud area. And click on Make Cloud to generate a test cloud. Save your settings by pressing Save Settings. Next, go to your dashboard. Go to Settings, Word Cloud. You can choose to use separate words or whole sentences. For example, the word Prime Minister can be seen as two words or one combined word. Choose the maximum amount of words to use. These are the most frequently used words. Select which stop words to filter. The most common used Dutch or English stop words are under these buttons. Add a new question. Open the session and let your audience respond. Wait till you received all the words and click on Word Cloud to generate a word cloud.